I'm Baltasar Flores, and I'm an installer for Hunter Communications, and my position is installing fiber to home. My friend always mentioned about Hunter, the great benefits and careers you can get by working here, so one day I just decided to go for it and get out my comfort zone, and I applied, and ever since then I've been a happy employee here. When I first started here, I really didn't know what fiber was or how it worked. I just kind of took that leap of faith. I trusted in myself. I wanted something better in my life, not just breaking my back and doing hard labor and just not seeing really a future in that. Even from the very beginning, they said that there's areas here to grow careers, not just be here and just stay at that same level. So I'm just kind of looking forward to kind of keep growing with this company as I go on. It's something new every day, so it's just kind of those things. I don't like repetitive stuff, so I just come in every day. I go to different areas, different streets I've never been before. And it's just kind of an adventure every day I come in. Working here, it's fun. We help each other out, almost like a brotherhood. You know, if a guy finishes early, he always gives it a call. We always check up on people like, hey, do you need help finishing this job? And it's kind of like looking for each other's backs. You know, we have good communications between each other. I do recommend it's a great place to work. They offer great benefits. There's great management. I will admit, I'm kind of a shy guy, and my communication skills did lack a little bit at the beginning with customers, but as time went on, I just got more comfortable with them. That's kind of, in a way, I've been successful. I'm Baltasar Flores, based out of Central Point, and a better connection starts with me because I provide fast internet for you.